Right.
Yeah. So, how have you doing today?
Um, I'm doing just normally fine, and I guess I'm kind of um happy because just I just got 2 more days left for my final exam, so it almost finished, and I will have like a class meeting, like a celebration, mini celebration in my school after
Yeah.
doing the final exam.
Is that final exam for semester?
Um, for going for the next semester, I guess.
Yeah.
The
So
next
this
semester.
is this is the end of the semester, right?
Yeah,
And after finishing having the exam, will you have holiday?
yeah. For Christmas and New Year.
Okay. So examination has started in Jakarta now.
Yeah. In my
Uh,
school, yeah, but the other
for
school, I don't know.
is it for all grades for the first, second, and third grade?
Yeah, in senior high school
Senior high
from
school.
10 until
Okay.
12.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, it's a little bit different. In my place, exam will start next week. So
Oh,
it is still waiting and preparing some sums for the examination. So really a little
mm,
bit different, but just maybe the time is only 1 week different,
yeah.
right? 1 week. And as I told you that almost students are really very busy having facing
Mm,
examination and preparing Christmas celebration and many other things. Okay, so thank you very much and well done for your next examination next week. You told me that you still have two meetings more
today's lab.
left,
Yeah.
right? 2 days more left. Okay. Yeah. Well, let's go straight to the point. Yeah, as I had asked you to do before we are going to the new topic, let's do warming up. So the warming up is like I want you to present your homework. Yeah, I see that
Mm,
you have sent me your homework sheet, and I'm so sorry I still don't have time to correct it. Maybe
okay, that's okay.
after this, I will correct it. But it doesn't matter now. Please, you try to tell everything that you have prepared using gerund, of
Mm,
course. So in your
yeah.
sentences, don't forget to use gerund
Mm,
as what we have learned last time. Okay. So uh, please you start telling what did you want to be when you were a kid?
okay. I wanted to be a designer because I like drawing since I was a kid,
Mhm.
especially designing a different dresses, unique costume, and more.
Okay. So when you were a kid, you wanted to be a designer.
Designer.
So do you still have that ambition until today? Do you still want to be a designer,
Mhm.
or
No,
things change?
change because after I saw that, like Ivan Gunawan or some famous designer in Indonesia, I just thought that they really work hard for their dresses for only one dresses. So you have
Mhm.
to like do it like for a long time just for me one dresses. Like you have to know all the fabrics and all of them.
Oh, I see. So to finish one dress, it needs
Dresses, yeah,
a very long time.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, everything when things needs a long process, yeah, I think it will pay off. Of course, it will pay off.
yeah.
Something like appreciation, achievement. Yeah, even Gunawan is yeah really famous in Indonesia,
Mm,
and he is a famous designer, right?
yeah.
Okay. Thanks. Moving on to the next. And what is an experience that you are happy to share with someone?
I was happy to share my experience when I was in primary school, and I had an opportunity to film a TV program on TVRI called Asiknya Menggambar, and it
Yeah.
was really a great and meaningful experience for me.
TV show something like Asik Menggambar.
Asiknya Menggambar, yeah.
Okay. It's fun to draw something like that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think you can? Do you think that you will promote that TV program to young teenagers or young children to watch?
Um, of course I will, but I actually don't know if the TV program is still aired on TVRI or no because it's
Mhm.
really a long time ago. So yeah, hopefully it's still aired on TVRI.
Yeah, I think so because everything changes today.
Yeah.
Not, I think children, especially teenagers, don't like watching TV any longer, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's the difference. Students, adults, and yeah, even parents don't have time for watching TV because
Mm,
they have been with social medias every
yeah.
single time. Social medias really affect their life and
Mm,
mm, uh, plays very important role in their life, especially for watching and for entertainment and also for working. Social media really matters for everybody.
yeah.
But yeah, that's what is happening today. While mm, some years ago, people still didn't have any access for social media.
Mm,
Therefore, they had to stick with television, television programs, and that was the change that happened between long time ago on and today.
mm.
Yeah, so thank you for sharing about the things that you would like to share. And next, moving on to the next question. And what kinds of games did you enjoy playing? What kinds of games did you
Recently,
enjoy
yeah.
playing?
Okay. Recently I enjoy playing Roblox either with my friends or my cousin, but actually I'm not into it and I'm not often playing games, but after they asked me to download and I tried it
Mhm.
and I felt actually I'm kind of enjoyed it and addicted to it.
Related with your statement, you told me that you love to play Roblox. I often heard about Roblox, and many people
Yeah.
recommended me that game, and they thought that children can learn English through Roblox, and I had tried to download that application for my kid
Oh, um,
at that time, but it was not successful, and and my son didn't like it. Would you share
oh,
to me? Would you share to me what happened with Roblox and what things can children learn from Roblox, please?
actually for myself, in Roblox, there's a lot of different, like several games like a lot. So
Hmm.
you can choose whatever game that you on your mind that you want to play with your
Yeah,
friends because it can multiplayer or you can just playing alone single with yourself. And I guess um we can learn probably before we say we can learn something we
yeah,
can um just um making a new friends in Roblox. Like
hmm,
when you're playing something and you're found like a new friends that connect to you and
yeah,
you can start talking with them and sometimes you got like a friends from the other country so
yeah,
you can start chatting with them like talking with English and yeah
yeah, yeah.
like
That
that.
must be very interesting. So, um, is there any local, national accounts or people who play the Roblox, or is it international gamers?
Actually both of them, international and national.
Oh, I see. So,
Yeah.
but do they use English instruction for every language?
Um, you can go to the setting on Roblox. So
Mm-hmm.
even though they chatting in Indonesia, automatically Roblox will change it into English. So it
Oh, I
depending.
see. Yeah, I
Yeah.
see. That must be very interesting for kids.
Yeah.
Yeah, but even though I failed a long time, some months ago, I will try again. As you told me that it must be very interesting and very challenging for kids. Yeah, I don't know why my kid doesn't like playing it. But
Mm.
do you think it is premium or free account, or premium account?
It is free, but if you want to like buy a new skin, you have to like a top up. It
Yeah,
called Robux. Yeah, you
top
have to
top
pay.
top up. Something
Mm-hmm.
like from Dana, something like that. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so we have to pay for deposit. We deposit some money, and
Mm-hmm.
then we can get free access through Roblox. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
thank you very
Yeah.
much, and that's very nice to talk with you about Roblox. And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, because people and some of my followers on TikTok recommend me to play Roblox, not only singing, because I ever
Oh.
uploaded a singing clip with my students, and that song went viral. That's why maybe your mom find that through that application that went viral at that time, and your mom chatted me on Instagram. Uh, she told me whether she could have English class, online class
Mm-hmm.
with her children. So that's you now, and people recommended that playing games is really very effective for learning English, especially Roblox. And after that, I tried to download, but I still failed. Yeah, maybe because
Mm-hmm.
my son doesn't like to play it. He prefers playing football.
Oh,
He
yeah, that's
prefers playing
great. Yeah.
football. Yeah, playing football, and he wants to be like a football player like Ronaldo. I don't know what
Oh,
happened,
oh, okay.
and I really support him. Whatever happens,
Mm-hmm.
I just support.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Moving on to the next question. What do you remember doing when I'm sorry, what do you remember doing with your friends after school?
I remember playing together with my friends after school. And sometimes they're also went to my house and just to gather around after a long, tiring school.
Long time in school. So is it happen
Mhm.
frequently, or does it happen on weekends or on Sundays maybe?
Mm, not really often, but not
Mhm.
really um, that frequently too. Yeah.
Okay. So you still remember those memorable things
Yeah.
for teenagers like you, yeah? Okay,
Mhm.
and then what is something that you think that you often think about from time to time?
From time to time, I think about starting a business because it is really my dream to have a
Yeah.
successful business in the future. But it's still a long process, and hopefully, I could achieve that.
Okay, very nice. We have the same vision. I also love
Okay.
doing business. I
Mm,
love doing business even it's hard. Yeah, even it's hard,
yeah.
and even it takes a lot of hard work and sacrifice and commitment. But
Mm,
I'm still sticking onto it, and I still have some hopes to happen, my dreams to
yeah.
happen in the future. And hopefully, every step I'm doing can be uh, some stepping stones towards my dreams also, because
Mm,
I still want to do more than what I'm doing today. Okay.
yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for sharing. And then, what is an activity that you stopped doing at some point in your life?
It's actually not an activity, but I stopped worrying about people thoughts whenever I want to post something on social media because
Mhm.
it is really useless. But sometimes you keep thinking what's on people's mind when you are posting something on social media.
So do you mean that when you're posting something on social media, do you think very much about your post or what other
Yeah,
people are thinking about, are giving opinion about you?
yeah. I used to like probably overthinking about something that I want
Oh, I
to
see.
do. Yeah, but right now I just try to like don't care about that because it means nothing for us. Just do what you want.
Okay, thank you very much. I think what you're feeling is normal, and that is really
Mm,
very important to consider because on social media, when they're reading an issue or one caption that they are reading on our post that really relates, they will relate everything to their life and to their condition. So
mm,
before you post something, I also do it. Before I post something, I think about the positive and negative effects of posting that.
yeah, yeah.
So I'm also really a very careful person to post. So
Mm-hmm.
before I post something, I think about do people like this? Something like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
And
Mm-hmm.
will they feel disappointed or annoyed when I post this? Because
Mm,
I'm really into it and I am something like an empathic person. I really care about what other people are thinking. But
yeah.
thinking too much on that is not really
Mm-hmm.
uh very necessary. We can if we have think that it is positive, just post it. Do not think too much on other people's point of view on you. Okay? Because
Mm-hmm.
we cannot force anybody to like us. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
their right. We cannot force someone to like us. Uh, Even every celebrity, every popular person have some likes and dislikes. So we
Yeah.
have to
Mm-hmm.
have a way of thinking like that in order to
Mm-hmm.
have a very good mental health because mental health is very important. Okay, when your
Yeah.
mental health is distracted, of course you cannot do anything. So try
Mm,
to heal your mental health, uh, controlling your thinking that we call mind management or thinking management.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, I think thank you very much for this warming up. And I thought that everything was running very well today and you could explain everything, every sentences using gerund in your sentence because our topic was about how to use infinitive and how to use gerund. And you have been
Mm,
able to to express everything that you have in your mind by using these grammar topics. Okay, so thank you very much. And now we're moving on to the next